Hi, I am Brian. You are watching Golden Host One channel. I teach you about how to use ezoic to increase your AdSense revenue. There are many things, but we suggest you 5 things. If you use these, you get good result. Please subscribe and share Golden Host One. Now, details of ezoic. No one, what is ezoic? Ezoic provides web publishers with automated website intelligence for their ads, content, layouts, and many more. Most websites deliver visitors the same experiences, ad placements, and monetization strategies. Even when adopting these attributes could result in much higher revenue and better reader experiences. Ezoic fix that. There are 4 options. No. 2. How does ezoic work? Ezoic allows website owners, brands, publishers, and bloggers to easily add improved parts of their websites. This includes the ability to increase revenue and improve visitor experiences by using intelligence to automate important decisions. Publishers can use ezoic to perform automated visitor segmentation, make their websites faster, improve security, implement the web's latest mobile technologies, and much more. Ezoic puts the power of big data in the hands of web publishers and give them the ability to easily automate smart actions that can help them deliver their audiences better experience. No. 3. Improve UX and revenue. Ad tester and layout tester are proven to increase page views for visit, session duration, and reduce bonus rate by customizing user sessions based on billions of rows of data. This typically leads to revenue improvements above 50%. However, ezoic allows publishers to compare apples to apples by splitting traffic between ezoic and the original website configuration. The ezoic platform is easy to set up, simple to use, works with any CMS, host, and etc. No. 4. How much does ezoic cost? With all of these features that could directly impact how much money you make, you might think that ezoic is an expensive tool. For bloggers, ezoic offers a free plan, but this free plan comes with one condition. You have to agree to display a small ezoic ad at the bottom of your page. If you don't want to display the ad, their paid plans start at $49 per month for blogs with up to $1,000 in monthly revenue. Once you start seeing good results after using ezoic, I would suggest upgrading to the $49 plan. Given that ezoic claims most site owners increase their revenue by 50%, this is a small price to pay in my opinion. No. 5. How ezoic pays and minimum payout. The minimum payout of ezoic is $20. Thanks for watching Golden Host One. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.